So, as a solar installer, we all know one thing is this. Our inverter we want to use to install a system of this inverter has their input voltage also. The battery also has their voltage. So, I'm going to make use of some batteries for our analysis on this board. So, I'm going to make use of a 1.5 kVA inverter, which is a 12 volt, and also 5 kVA inverter, which is a 24 volt, 10 kVA inverter, which is also what 48. All right, guys, it's your solar analyst and your solar advocate in Nigeria. Today, we are going how to determine the size of the cable that will be able to charge this. There is a rule that says that the distance between your inverter and your battery should not be more than 5 meters. So this should be your consideration. I mean, the distance between your batteries and the inverter should not be higher. So after considering the inverter you want to use must have what we call an input voltage, and also your battery connection out to be according to this guy. So now the first thing you have to solve, most of this inverter comes in voltage kVA. You have to convert this back to the VA. That means 1.5 kVA is equal to what? Is equal to 1500 VA slash what? 12 volt. Then your 5 kVA is what? Is what? Is 5000 VA slash 24 volt. And your 10 kVA also is what? 10,000 VA slash 48 volts. So now this is when you mean 1.5 kVA, you mean 1500, because this kVA is representing 1000. Are we together? So the kVA is representing 1000. Now, since this inverter is in 1.5 kVA, there's something we call apparent power and real power. So we have to convert this back to the real power in wattage. So, and let's assume all this inverter has what we call 0.8 pm, which is the power factor. Therefore, your 1500 multiply by what? 0.8. Your 5000 B also multiply by 0.8. And this 1000 B also multiply by 0.8. Now, your 1.5 kVA inverter will be having 1200 watt, which is what? 12 volt. And the 5 kVA also will be having what? 4000 watt slash what? 24 volt. And the 10 kVA will be what?
10,000.
That was 8,000 watt slash 48 volts. Now, how do you do? So that means